Hello friends, this is Ruhina Khan. A warm welcome to our channel RQ Nirman Civil. Today I am going to discuss about concrete concept and advantages. But before going to discuss, I request all kindly like, share and subscribe my channel RQ Nirman Civil and press the bell icon to get notifications. So today we are going to discuss about concrete. So friends, what is concrete? Basic concrete ingredients. These are the basic concrete ingredients. Concrete is an artificial conglomerate stone made essentially of Portland cement, water and aggregates. It is a composite material that consists essentially of a building medium within which aggregates are embedded. Binder is formed from a mixture of hydraulic cement and water. This image is an example. Concrete is an intimate mixture of cement, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate, water and admixtures. Concrete as structural material. Most widely used construction material. Last year in the US, 63 million tons of Portland cement were converted into 500 million tons of concrete. Total world consumption of concrete last year is estimated at 3 billion tons. Estimated present consumption of concrete in the world. This image is an example. Why concrete most widely used in engineering materials? Concrete possesses excellent resistance to water, aqueducts and waterfront retaining walls, dams, canal linings and pavements. Structural element exposed to mixed moisture such as piles, foundations, footings, floors, beams, columns, roofs, exterior walls and pipes. This image is an example. With which structural concrete elements can be formed into a variety of shapes and sizes. Freshly made concrete is of a plastic consistency. Flow into prefabricated formwork. Formwork can be removed for use. The Temple Israel was built in 1969. This is an example. The cheapest and most readily available material on the job. Aggregate, water and Portland cement are relatively inexpensive and are commonly available. Cost may be as low as US $60 to $70 per cubic meter. Types of concrete based on unit weight. Normal weight concrete is 2400 kg meter cube. Lightweight concrete is 1800 kg meter cube. Heavyweight concrete is 3200 kg meter cube. Based on compressive strength, low strength concrete less than 20 MPa. Moderate strength concrete is 20 to 40 MPa. High strength concrete is more than 40 MPa. Advantages of concrete are maintenance. Concrete does not corrode, needs no surface treatment and its strength increases with time. Therefore, concrete structures require much less maintenance. Fire resistance. The fire resistance of concrete is perhaps the most important single aspect of offshore safety. resistance to cyclic loading. Thank you all, and don't forget to subscribe my channel RQ Nirman Civil. From today I am starting quiz session on civil. I will ask question and you all viewer need to answer in comment box. So today's first question is, name of the scientist and year cement discovered.